Hey, you're still awake? No, it's like you've been dozing off for, what, 15 minutes now? I'm honestly surprised. You've just been staring at that one page like crazy. Yeah, no. I don't mind. I mean, we booked this study room for another, like another hour. Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. Here. I'll walk you through my statistics work. Even though it's like the least exciting thing you could probably look at. Okay. Okay. So, right now I'm trying to find the different parts of the equation. So first I need to figure out if this is like a mean or if it's like a parameter. What? I know it's already boring. I know. But, if you look at the data, it actually, see, this means it's a mean. See? Pretty easy once you actually break it down, but that means we have two means, which I'm actually not good at. So, mu this, mu that. It's not very interesting. I have a bunch of other subjects I would much rather study, but exam this Friday. Yeah. No, I think I'm ready for it. I actually don't want to do this problem right now. But if it helps, they probably won't kick us out with it storming outside. So you can get some rest. And you don't have to listen to me just ramble to you about numbers. Would you like that? I mean, I can always break down another equation if you want. Yeah. Yeah. I'll try to be quiet. Yeah. Don't worry. I'm sure the storm is much louder than I'll ever be. It's a library after all. Just don't snore, otherwise I'm gonna get really distracted. Okay. No, mu is just kind of like a Greek letter. We're just setting up the equation right now. I think this would be mu equals mu1 equals mu2. We're setting it up. It's more of like a, so I don't lose track, and also so whenever I actually get to the exam, it's easier. Yeah. Yeah. No, it's nothing. Yeah. No, you're you're honestly better at math than I am. Which was why we were studying together. No, I'm not like, no, it's fine. Here. How about I'm gonna do a different problem. I actually don't like doing means. Okay. So, here, I'm gonna read it out for you. Researchers wish to estimate the size of a population of bluegills in a small lake in Missouri. They capture and tag 313 bluegills before releasing them. A few days later, they return to the lake and capture 96 bluegills, 13 of which have tags. Find a... this is a confidence interval question. Dang it. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm too loud. Okay. So, we need to find the confidence interval, which basically just means that we're trying to see with a 95% confidence. I'm bad at explaining this. Are we 95% sure? So it's kind of proportion-ish. That's not important. But this is a proportion question, so. Okay. So it's 13 out of, 96? And then we, so the confidence interval formula is this. And we do 1.96 instead of 2, just because it's a bit more accurate. At least that's what my professor taught me. Take that as you will. And I'm just going to plug in that into the rest of the formula. Over 96. I just realized I really wish I wasn't taking this class. Okay. I don't have a calculator. Crap. We're gonna do this by hand. Even though we're wait. I'm gonna use my phone real quick. Yeah. Don't worry, it's not gonna be too loud. Just ignore the fact that I have nails. So I kind of skipped a few points just because I don't like writing that part out, but the answer is 0.0670, comma 0.2039. And if we write that out into a sentence, wait, we have to find the population. That's the issue. It's okay if you doze off. I promise. Don't worry about it. Just let me bore you with my math problems. I swear. It's honestly helping. I prefer to teach out loud. Yeah, that's the only way I'm gonna pass this exam, I swear. And I still have 2 more of these. Can you believe that? So, we need to set this up with 213 above these points. So that's the 0.0670. And then the 0.239. And then whenever we plug that in, I have to use my calculator again, sorry. We have to round that up. It's 1044. 3180. So that means we are 95% confident that the true bluegill population in the lake is between 1,044 and 3,180 bluegills. Funny how we get there, right? Do you want to move on to the next question? It's not that fun. I can see you dozing off. Just go to sleep. Come on. I only have like 3 more questions left. Yeah, I swear it's fine. Suppose researchers wish to use a hypothesis test to determine if there are more than 1,200 bluegills in this lake. They don't know how to perform the hypothesis test to determine the population totals. Suggest an alternative set of hypotheses that they could use to answer their question of interest. H naught versus. Okay. So it's gonna be pi. I'll use a proportion. So that's 213. And then 1,200. 213. 1,200. Are you still up? You look cute when you're sleeping. I mean that. I hope you sleep well. I'll be here, okay? I promise. Good night. Sleep well.